Good morning everyone, and welcome to another sunny day of Change My Mind, here in Gozo.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance. Something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
Marco, vuoi dire qualcosa dopo questa immersione?
Che devo pisciare e c'ho freddo.
Ottimo.